everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're going to a place you visit all the time, but in English. Stay with us because by the end, shopping will feel easy and fun.
Have you ever gone to the supermarket, stood in front of the shelves, and suddenly forgot all your English? Don't worry. Today, by the end of this conversation, you'll shop in English with confidence, even if you're hungry and confused.
That already sounds like me, Mr. Jack. Hello, everyone. I'm Anna, and yes, supermarkets make me panic sometimes.
You're not alone, Anna. Supermarkets are big, bright, and full of choices, and English words everywhere.
Exactly. Milk here, bread there, apples everywhere, and my brain says no English today. That's why today we're going to walk through the supermarket together, slowly, friendly, no stress.
I like that. Can we start at the beginning, like before we even go inside?
Perfect idea. Before shopping, we usually make something very important.
A shopping list.
Yes, a shopping list. In English, we say shopping list. Not buying paper, not market note, just shopping list.
Shopping list. Okay, and what do we write on it?
Things we need. For example, I might write milk, eggs, bread, apples.
Oh, I always forget things if I don't write them down. Last time I went for bread and came home with chocolate.
That is a very common problem, very serious problem. A shopping list helps us remember and saves money.
So if I say I made a shopping list, that's correct?
Perfect English, simple and clear.
Okay, we have the shopping list. Now we go into the supermarket.
Yes, the doors open and the first big question appears.
Which one do I take, the big one with wheels or the small one?
This is important. The big one with wheels is called a shopping cart.
Shopping cart, like car.
Almost. Cart, not car. Shopping cart.
Okay, and the small one?
The small one you carry is a shopping basket.
Basket, shopping basket.
Exactly. If you buy many things, use a shopping cart. If you buy a few things, use a shopping basket.
I always choose a basket and then regret it later.
Because it gets heavy.
Yes, my arm says, why didn't you take the cart?
Your arm speaks good English. Okay, now we are inside. Where do we go first?
Let's start with something colorful and healthy.
Fruit and vegetables.
Yes, in English, we often say fruit and vegetables or produce.
Produce, that's a new word.
That's okay. You can say fruit and vegetables. For example, apples, bananas, oranges, tomatoes, carrots.
Let me try. I need apples and carrots.
Very good, clear and simple. But what if I can't find the apples?
This is where polite English is very useful.
I usually just look and look and look.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find apples?"
Excuse me, where can I find apples?
Perfect, very polite. You can change the word at the end. Apples, milk, bread, anything. What about vegetables? Excuse me, where can I find onions?
Excellent. People will smile and help you.
I like excuse me. It sounds friendly.
Yes, never forget excuse me. It's magic English.
Okay, fruit and vegetables are done. What's next on the list?
Let's go to something cold.
Cold. Ice cream?
Maybe later. First, the dairy section.
Dairy, like milk?
Yes, dairy means milk, cheese, yogurt, butter.
Dairy section. That's useful.
Very useful. For example, I need milk and cheese.
I drink milk every day, so I can say I'm buying milk.
Perfect sentence. Sometimes there are many kinds of milk. Cow milk, soy milk, almond milk.
Yes, supermarkets love choices. Too many choices. My brain again says no English today.
But you're learning. Slowly is okay.
Okay, dairy section done. Now I smell something good.
That smell is from the bakery.
Bakery, bread.
Yes, bread, cake, cookies.
I love bread, warm bread.
Me too. In English, you can say, I'd like a loaf of bread.
Loaf, that's new. A loaf of bread means one whole bread.
Okay, I'd like a loaf of bread. That sounds very English.
It does, and very polite. What if the bread is already on the shelf?
Then you can just take it and put it in your cart or basket.
Easy.
Now, are you ready for something a little scary?
Yes, maybe.
The meat counter.
Oh, that is scary for me.
That's okay. Many people feel that way.
There's a person waiting and I don't know what to say.
You can say something very simple. Excuse me, I'd like some chicken.
I'd like some chicken.
Perfect. You don't need long sentences.
What about beef?
Same sentence. I'd like some beef.
Okay, that's easy.
See, English at the supermarket is friendly English.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Now look at your shopping list.
Let me see. Milk, bread, apples, chicken.
Great. Now we go to the last stop.
The checkout.
Yes, the checkout, or you can say cashier.
This part is fast. People are waiting.
Don't worry, the English here is very short.
What does the cashier usually say?
They might say, hello, do you have a bag? That'll be $10.
And what do I say?
You can say, hello, yes please, or no, thank you. Here you are.
Here you are when I give money or a card?
Exactly.
What about thank you?
Very important. Always say thank you.
Thank you sounds easy but very powerful.
Yes, and then you're done. You leave the supermarket like a confident English speaker, with food and English.
The best combination. To everyone listening, next time you shop, try one English sentence.
Yes, even just excuse me, where can I find?
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
If you enjoyed shopping with us today,
Please like this episode.
leave a comment and tell us what you buy at the supermarket.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun English conversations.
Thank you for listening. See you next time. Happy shopping and happy learning English.